Welcome back to Autocar Reviews, and today we're taking a detailed look at one of the world's most trusted and best-selling sedans, the Toyota Corolla. This car has built its reputation on reliability, comfort, and value for money, and the latest Corolla continues that legacy with modern design and improved performance. From the outside, the Toyota Corolla looks more confident and sporty than ever before. The sharp front fascia, slim LED headlights, and wide grille give it a premium and aggressive appearance, especially compared to older generations. The sculpted bonnet lines and aerodynamic shape not only enhance its visual appeal but also help with fuel efficiency and stability at higher speeds. On the sides, clean character lines, stylish alloy wheels, and a well-balanced stance make the Corolla look modern and youthful. At the rear, LED tail lamps and a subtle trunk design keep things elegant rather than flashy, which suits buyers who prefer a classy and timeless look. When it comes to performance, the Toyota Corolla is designed for smooth and efficient everyday driving. Most markets offer it with a 1.8-liter or 2.0-liter petrol engine, depending on the variant. The engine delivers refined power that feels calm in city traffic and stable on highways. Acceleration is smooth rather than aggressive, which makes it ideal for daily commuting and family use. The CVT automatic transmission is tuned for comfort and fuel efficiency, providing seamless gear changes without jerks. Steering is light and responsive, making the car easy to maneuver in tight city streets, while the suspension absorbs bumps well, offering a comfortable ride even on uneven roads. Overall, the Corolla focuses more on balance and reliability rather than sporty driving, and that's exactly what its target audience appreciates. Inside the cabin, the Toyota Corolla offers a clean, practical, and well-built interior. The dashboard layout is simple and user-friendly, with soft-touch materials in higher trims that add a premium feel. The infotainment system supports modern features like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and the touchscreen is easy to use. The seats are comfortable, providing good support for long drives, and there's ample legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers. The steering wheel mounted controls, digital instrument cluster in newer models, and multiple storage spaces make the interior very functional. While it may not feel overly luxurious, the build quality and comfort are strong points. In terms of pricing, the Toyota Corolla remains competitively priced in the sedan segment. Depending on the country and variant, prices usually start from an affordable range and go up with added features, safety technology, and engine options. What really adds value is Toyota's reputation for low maintenance costs, excellent fuel economy, and long-term reliability, which makes the Corolla a smart investment for buyers looking for peace of mind. That's our detailed look at the Toyota Corolla. If you're searching for a dependable, comfortable, and stylish sedan that delivers consistent performance and great value, the Corolla continues to be one of the safest and smartest choices on the road. Thanks for watching Autocar Reviews, and we'll see you in the next video.